Welcome to today's video where I'm going to teach you how to pick the right affiliate program and start making money fast. Okay, so if you like to know more about affiliate marketing, okay, just do it by following my page right now. Okay, follow my page, then watch this video to the end and learn step by step guide. Okay, this video is very detailed if you can stay from the beginning to the end. Alright, so now let's dive into the video. Okay, are you interested in making money with affiliate marketing but don't know which program to choose? You are not alone. Picking the wrong program can waste your time and effort, but today I'm going to show you how to pick the right affiliate program so you can start making money fast. Okay, I'm right when I say that. Okay, if you can stay from the beginning to the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right platform and the right platform to choose, the right platform that pay you as high as 50%, 60% commission. Okay, affiliate marketing is all about promoting another person's products and getting commission. Okay, so if you can stay from beginning to the end of this video, you will learn all of that. Okay, you don't have to pay any money. Okay, all you have to do is just to pay attention, then watch everything step by step. Okay, and you are good to go. Okay, so that's just it. All right, there's section 1 is understanding affiliate program. Okay, before we dive in, let's quickly understand what an affiliate program is. Okay, and it is a system where company pay you commission for promoting their product. Okay, you get a special link, share it with people, and when someone buy through your link, you earn money. Is that not simple? That's too simple. Okay, the product, you don't have to create it on your own. Okay, the product has been created, by the creator. Okay, a lot of platforms out there that you can choose from. A lot of platforms. These platforms these platforms is like a website. Different creators has created their products that they just put it there. Okay, it's just for you to pick the one you like. Okay, then I'm going to be telling you different type of niches, example of niches that you can choose now. Okay, in this 2025. Okay, so if you stay from beginning to the end of this video, you are going to learn all of that. Okay, so now let's begin. Section 2 is key factor for choosing the right affiliate program. Okay, some factors you need to consider when choosing affiliate programs. Okay, you will learn all of that in this video. Alright, now let's talk about the most important part, how to pick the right affiliate program. There are 4 key factors to consider. Okay, and if you stay from beginning to the end of this video, you are going to learn the 4 factors when choosing the affiliate marketing programs. Okay, so that's it. Then number 1 factor is commission rate. Okay, the commission rate. Alright, some program pay 5%, which is very bad, while other pay 50% or more. That's the type of platform I'm going to introduce you today, whereby you promote a product and get up to 50% or 50% upward commission. Okay, so that's it. Or always get always go for programs with high commission, especially digital products, because they pay more. Okay, digital products is now very lucrative. Okay, is more lucrative. We are in the digital era. Okay, technology has make it very easy for us. We don't have to struggle before we make money online. Okay, all you have to do is just to stay tuned, learn different strategies. Okay, different products out there, different products in different niches that you can even think of. Okay, all you have to do is just to learn the selling strategies. Okay, so that's it. All right, number 2 is product demand. Okay, you need to know how demand this product is in the market, like how much are people, how does people like, how can I put it, like how much people need the product you are promoting. Okay, you need to do products like market research. Okay, you need to know which product people are really looking for out there. Okay, so that's it. Ask yourself, do people really need this product? Which is what I've explained before. Choose something that solves a real problem. Okay, the problem, the product you are promoting have to be a product that solves people problem. Okay, you need to solve people problem. Okay, so that's it. Your product must be able to solve people problem. All right, take note of that. If your problem cannot, people buy when they see that your product is genuine and it can solve what they are going through. Okay, so that's it. Let's proceed. Number 3, which is another important factor when choosing affiliate program, is 3, payout system. This payout system, it means the means of payment. Which payment method are you going to use to collect your money? Okay, so now how and when do they pay you? Okay, there are some program out there, they pay their own maybe every Monday of the week, some program every day, some program monthly. So that's how it is. Okay, look for program that offer easy withdrawal option, which is what I have explained before. You need to look for a product that when you want to, after you have made sales, when you want to withdraw your money, it will be very easy. Okay, it will have easy withdrawal option like bank transfer or paper. But paper is not something, I just use this for an instance. Paper is not really easy here in Nigeria. Okay, especially if you are in Nigeria, it's not very easy. But although there is a course I have, in case you have interest in it, that will teach you how to get working paper here in Nigeria. Okay, but it's your choice though. But since you are promoting within Nigeria, I don't think you really need it. But if you are the type of person that promotes like international products, okay, you might have interest in it. Okay, and the paper product, the cost is not even is not very expensive, it's very cheap. Okay, so if you need it, just click the link in my bio and text me, and you text me on WhatsApp automatically, then so we can chat. Okay, if you need it. Okay, number 4 is affiliate support and resources. Okay, some company give you ready-made marketing material while others leave you to figure it out yourself. Okay, so you need to choose products that support you. Okay, what this means is that you choose a product whereby the creator has already promote the marketing materials. Okay, most of these platforms, they have promote marketing materials that you need to promote the product. Okay, they have make it very easy. Okay, so they have make it very easy for you. You can easily get product banner, promotional banners that you are going to use to promote the product. Okay, some creators has made it very easy for you. Okay, so that's it. Then section 3, recommended affiliate programs. Okay, I recommend some affiliate programs in this video. If you watch it from beginning to the end, okay, I recommend some affiliate programs that you can choose right now. Okay, if you are a beginner, I highly recommend starting with affiliate programs that are beginner friendly and easy to sign up for. Okay, some great options include number 1, Expertnia, great for digital products in Nigeria. But it's just that the catch here is that Expertnia is very good. It have any type of product you can think of. But it's just that you need to join it. It take like I think 10,000 naira or 5,000 thereabout to sign up on it. Okay, so if you are a beginner that you don't have money, I don't suggest you go for it. Okay, StakeCut is another solid Nigeria platform. StakeCut is free, is free of charge. You don't need to pay any money before you join it. Okay, StakeCut is free to join. Okay, it's free of charge. You don't need to pay any money. Alright, so that's it. Number 3, seller.com. Seller is a very good, which is the one I make use of. I make use of Seller. Seller is the one I really like very much. Okay, so that's it. Let's see. Now section 4, how to get started. Now you are going to learn how to get started in this section, where you learn how to get started. Okay, so that's it. Alright, now that you know how to pick the right affiliate program, what you need to do next, there are some things you need to do next. Okay, number one, pick a niche. Focus on a specific topic or niche. Okay, this niche, it simply means the things, something that you really know about, something that you have knowledge about. Okay, for example, now I'm teaching people how to make money with affiliate marketing. That's my own field of expertise. That's what I know how to do. Okay, your own might be, maybe you are like health expert, or maybe you are, it depends on what you know about. Maybe you know about all these phone, all these tech gadgets a lot, like finance, health. Okay, if you like, like relationship coach, like you know how to settle relationship disputes, all of this and that. Okay, you can go for it. A lot of niches is out there when is on those platforms. Okay, so number 2 is sign up for an affiliate program. Okay, choose one from the list I shared. Okay, but I recommend Seller for you. It's not Solar, it's seller.com. Sorry, I made a mistake there. I recommend Seller. It's Seller, I meant to write seller.com. Okay, so that's it. Number 3, after you must have picked the niche, you have signed up, the next thing is to start promoting. Okay, you start driving traffic to your link on social media such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and blogs. A lot. Okay, a lot of things, a lot of ways you can drive traffic to your affiliate programs. Okay, so that's how it goes. Then I hope this training help you. Now if you are serious about making money with affiliate marketing, want a step-by-step guide, I have something special for you. Okay, I have something very special for you. Alright, so I created a complete course called Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, where I break down from picking the right affiliate program to setting up your sales funnel and making consistent commission. Okay, I've created this course. Okay, this course is on StakeCourt. It's on stakecourt.com. Okay, the course, although I wasn't the one that created the course though. Okay, this course is always selling for, right now in 2025, is actually selling for 7,000 naira, but I'm going to give you 50% commission. I have the course, I will give you 50% commission, where I'm going to sell it for you 3,500 naira only. Okay, if you need it, just click the link in my bio now and click on WhatsApp and text me. Okay, for the link. Alright, so if you are tired of struggling and want a proven roadmap to success, click the link in my bio to gain instant access to the course. Don't wait, start your affiliate marketing journey now. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Okay, if you get value from this video, do it by following my page. Okay, and if you are watching it on YouTube, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel now for more valuable video like this. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video. And don't forget, affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, it's not a Ponzi scheme. Okay, you need to put in hard works. Okay, when I mean hard work, like you need to be serious about it. You need to take time to learn. You need to learn more about the business. Okay, so me that I'm teaching you this video, I've learned a lot. I had many sleepless nights to learn this digital marketing that I'm able to teach you here today. Okay, so thanks for watching. Just do it by following me now, and if it's on YouTube, do it by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you.